All right, today we have a bathroom faucet. Now this is beautiful black, flat black, if you guys can see that. There's two actually indentations of the colors, and one is for cold, of course. Blue's for cold and red is for hot. Now everything's included, including the actual drain pipe where it goes, and this is plastic top. You could change the top if you want to chrome, it's up to you. They do give you the actual hose, the two water hose, to connect this to your actual existing connection. Just make sure you have the proper instructions. It's also included. Make sure you have the proper piping for this to install. So we're gonna set it up and see how it works. All right, here's the faucet. We're gonna set it up, and if you guys could, this is adjustable. You can move it left or right. You can replace the tip if you want to change the filter in the future. It's up to you. So let's see how it works. So we can always open it up one at a time if you want. The hot, and if you guys can see the hot and the cold, works very well. Beautiful. So if you're looking for a new faucet, highly recommend you. I hope you guys enjoy the video.